Start preparing your pet for moving house at least 4 weeks before the move so you can reduce anxiety and avoid last-minute issues. Begin by updating your pet microchip and tags with the new address and phone numbers and verify the information with your local registry. Secure travel crates that are sized for comfort and ventilation, and introduce the crate gradually by feeding meals inside and leaving familiar bedding to build positive association. Arrange transfer of vet records early and obtain copies of vaccination history, medication instructions, and any behavioral notes so the new caregiver has full context. Create a quiet pet zone at home on moving day with food, water, toys, and a litter area if needed, and keep this space off limits to movers to reduce stress. Practice short car rides to the new crate and increase duration to condition your pet to travel calmly while rewarding calm behavior with treats and praise. For long or international moves, consult your veterinarian about sedation risks and required health certificates, and follow airline or transport carrier rules for vaccinations and container standards. 3 common mistakes are rushing updates, so the microchip or tags still show the old address, using an inappropriate crate, and ignoring the need for a calm space during the move. Fix the first by contacting the microchip registry and your local council immediately and confirming the update in writing or through your online account. For crate problems, choose a rigid travel crate for air travel and a sturdy soft-sided carrier for short car trips and always size for standing, turning and lying down. Test it over several days so the pet accepts it. If you skip the quiet zone, you will increase anxiety and possible escape attempts, so designate a room with clear signage for movers. Keep the door closed and have a familiar person stay with the pet or hire a sitter for moving day. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can assist with pet-friendly moving tasks like building safe ramps or installing gates, and helps contractors find work in local communities. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and connect with neighbors about moving with animals.